In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem an Amazon voucher by adding it to your Amazon account's gift card balance. This process is straightforward, yet I'll walk you through each step to ensure you have a smooth experience. Let's start by locating your voucher code. If you have a physical gift card, you'll find the claim code printed on the back. It's usually hidden under a scratch-off area, so you'll need to gently scratch that section to reveal the code. For those with digital gift cards, the code is typically included in the email or message you received when the voucher was sent to you. Keep this code handy, as you'll need it in the next steps. Once you have your code ready, it's time to redeem your voucher on Amazon. To do this, navigate to the Redeem a Gift Card page on the Amazon website. You can find this page by hovering over the Account and Lists drop-down menu, which is typically located at the top right corner of the web page. Select Redeem a Gift Card from the options provided. If you're using the Amazon app, you can also access this page via the Amazon Pay section. Additionally, some voucher redemption instructions include a direct link, allowing for a one-click route to the redemption page. With the redemption page open, enter your voucher code into the designated field. Take a moment to double-check that you've entered the code correctly, ensuring there are no typing errors. Once you're sure it's correct, proceed to apply the code by clicking on the Apply to Your Balance button or a similarly labeled option. This action will add the voucher amount to your Amazon account's gift card balance, ready for you to use. Now that your voucher is added to your account, let's discuss how you can use this balance on subsequent purchases. Shop on Amazon as you normally would, adding items to your cart and proceeding to checkout. When you reach the payment section, you'll see your Amazon account balance, reflecting the added voucher amount, displayed as a payment option. You can choose this balance to cover either part or the entirety of your purchase. Simply select it as your payment method and continue with the checkout process. By following these steps, you can easily redeem your Amazon voucher and use it towards your purchases, making your shopping experience more convenient. That wraps up our guide for today. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and successful in enhancing your Amazon shopping experience.